Whoa, yes. The lights have came in today, boys. They are huge. Huge lights. Just a little comparison. Boom. Let me show you guys the whole thing now. Some of the styrofoam bottle thing. That's where I got it, rock on. So it comes inside another box. Security. Box that box. I'll open this one really quickly. And here's the headlight. This thing is huge. This freaking whole piece is amazingly huge. Yeah, holy crap. Waited a while for these things to come in actually. Let's see how it looks like on the car. Headlights have been installed. They look very sharp. Don't mind the background sound, but everything's in there. So, next step, it's kind of raining outside, but very, very bright, nice looking lights. I think I'm going to be doing an LED swap in the future, but that's how they look like. They turn out to be a success. This is the next project, by the way, once we get this bad boy on the road, which shouldn't be too long. So, updated. It's still raining. I came at a dark. Okay, so here's the headlights. Now they are aftermarket. That's the only downside. They work. That's like where you can go wrong with that. If I put my hand under the thingy, that happened. Here are the, what's it called? Park lights. Park lights on. Now they're not too bright, which is great, but they do look sick. I can imagine them at night. Shit. I can imagine them at night, and they would probably look rear end. Of course, as you know, it's like really nice look to it. So they do get brighter. It does get brighter over time. If I were to put this one on, as you can tell, they are halogens. I will be replacing these in the future, but we're trying to finish this car on a budget. Now I'm gonna, as you can see, these are fairly bright. Now the car does blow up even more when you have the car running, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. There you go. Now you guys can't see the full zoom, but I'll be showing you. Start from scratch, signal light, and everything. Start this up, buddy. One thing I can tell you guys, you guys are gonna need, I believe, 4 bolts. I can see one here already. Right here, as you can see, there's one there. There's one over here. Yeah, there's one there. Right there. I'm pretty sure you guys can see. And there's another one on the bottom. It's 2 more on this. Okay, my bad. They are 4 bolts per headlight, so you need 8 of them in total. I just zip tied them. I just want to see. Now I haven't seen any videos on how to install these, which was kind of disappointing, but they're actually fairly simple. There's just a little plug-in in the back for this thing, and it's literally all you have to do. I'll be making a video on how to take apart these and put them together, since there's no videos on YouTube. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little part 3 / part 2, I guess I could say. They will be hood installation and bumper installation, but I need a bumper absorber because my bumper is bone stock. I need a few parts like the grills and stuff, but for now I don't have that stuff. But yeah, that will complete my car basically. I'm just gonna lock it up really quickly because you need to make sure your stuff is okay and clean, I guess. I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Max again.